Are you constantly fighting low mood, struggling with a fading memory, and feeling like your body and brain are slowing down? This mental fatigue is common. You might think these are just normal signs of aging, but they are often symptoms of an energy crisis inside your cells. Your battery is running low. Imagine one simple, white powder that works like instant, clean fuel for both your muscles and your brain. It is highly effective and safe. This fuel is so powerful it can fight off deep depression, sharpen your memory, and prevent age-related muscle loss. The benefits are huge. This affordable secret is not just for athletes. It is the ultimate anti-aging supplement for anyone over the age of 50. It is a hidden gem. It works by increasing the body's energy currency, known as ATP, especially in the most energy-hungry tissues. Your brain loves this fuel. Studies confirm this powder significantly improves cognitive function and provides measurable relief from depression. This is a massive breakthrough. This is the ultimate, non-drug secret to boosting mental clarity, physical strength, and reversing neurological aging. It costs very little. We'll expose the crucial, specific form of this powder you must buy. Most cheap versions contain useless fillers. Get the right type. If you ignore this cellular energy crisis, you risk neurodegenerative diseases and severe age-related frailty. This is a serious risk. We'll reveal the exact small dosage you need and the best liquid to mix it with for maximum absorption. Consistency is key. Don't skip the final warning about the specific timing mistake that can cause digestive upset and bloating. Use the best method. Stay tuned to Natural Health Secrets to master the ultimate secret to perpetual energy and a strong, sharp mind. Your health will thank you. The incredible white powder we are revealing today, the ultimate fuel for your cells, is creatine monohydrate. Creatine is one of the most studied and safest supplements in the world, often mistakenly thought to be only for bodybuilders. But its true power lies in its essential role in energy production, specifically in tissues that demand the most energy, your muscles and your brain. Creatine works by creating a rapid reserve of ATP, which is the body's primary energy currency. It is the backup battery for every cell. When your muscle or brain cells need a quick burst of energy to lift a weight or to recall a memory, ATP is instantly available. As we age, our body's natural production of creatine declines, which directly leads to low energy, muscle weakness, and mental slowness. By supplementing, you restore these reserves, providing instant fuel to the powerhouses of your cells' mitochondria. Let's talk about the shocking benefits for mental health and depression, an area where creatine truly shines. The brain demands a huge amount of energy, and studies show that people with depression often have lower levels of creatine in their brains. By boosting creatine levels, you provide the brain with reliable, clean ATP fuel, which helps regulate mood and stabilizes brain chemistry. Research has shown that creatine supplementation can significantly enhance the effects of traditional antidepressant treatments and, in some cases, provide relief on its own. It acts as a natural brain energizer, helping to lift the fog, improve motivation, and fight the mental exhaustion associated with depression. Imagine feeling that heaviness lift and your thoughts become clearer. just by ensuring your brain has enough fuel. This is the power of creatine. The cognitive benefits are measurable. Creatine improves working memory, which is your ability to hold and process information temporarily. It also enhances executive function, which includes planning, problem-solving, and critical decision-making. This is a crucial anti-aging benefit, helping to protect the brain from energy depletion that accelerates cognitive decline. Now, let's look at the essential role of creatine in fighting age-related muscle loss, known as sarcopenia. After the age of 40, we begin to lose muscle mass at an alarming rate, leading to frailty, loss of balance, and increased risk of falls. Creatine supplementation is one of the most effective non-hormonal ways to directly slow down and even reverse this muscle loss. It helps preserve lean muscle mass, even in seniors who are not engaging in heavy weight training, making it vital for maintaining mobility and independence. For best results, creatine works synergistically with exercise, increasing the strength and power gains you get from any physical activity. The specific type you must buy is simple: creatine monohydrate. This is the original, cheapest, and most studied form. Avoid expensive, flashy versions like creatine ethyl ester or buffered creatines. Monohydrate is proven to be the most effective for muscle and brain uptake. The dosage for creatine is small. 3 to 5 grams per day is the ideal maintenance dose for general health, brain function, and muscle support. You do not need loading phases high doses for a week if your primary goal is brain health and longevity. Just stick to the consistent daily 3 to 5 gram dose. The best way to take it is to mix it with a liquid that contains some simple carbohydrate or protein, like juice or a protein shake, which can slightly enhance absorption. Take it at any time of the day. Consistency is far more important than timing. Just make sure you take it every single day. Remember to hit that like button if you are ready to fuel your brain and muscle with this simple powder, and subscribe to Natural Health Secrets. We must address the one common mistake that causes digestive upset and bloating. Creatine monohydrate draws water into the muscle cells, which is why it works so well. But if you don't dissolve it fully or drink enough water, it can cause stomach distress. Always mix your creatine thoroughly in a generous amount of water, at least 8 to 12 ounces, and drink plenty of water throughout the day. Hydration is essential when taking creatine. The safety profile of creatine is excellent. It is a natural compound produced by your body and is safe for long-term use in healthy individuals. However, if you have existing kidney problems, talk to your doctor before starting creatine. While studies show it doesn't harm healthy kidneys, caution is always advised for pre-existing conditions. This affordable white powder is your ultimate tool for fighting depression, sharpening your mind, and preserving the muscle mass that protects you as you age. We've covered the ATP secret, the mood benefits, the cognitive boost, and the simple safety rules. This is the crucial supplement that allows you to feel stronger, think faster, and live with more consistent energy. We have now armed you with the precise knowledge to safely leverage this essential brain and muscle fuel. Now, tell us in the comments below which benefit is most important to you curing depression and low mood or preventing muscle loss. We want to hear your primary goal. If this video revealed the simple cure for someone struggling with mental fatigue or frailty, please share it immediately with them. You could be giving them a major life upgrade. And finally, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right now. You don't want to miss our next video, where we expose the top 3 common supplements that are secretly causing your hair loss and accelerating aging. Thank you for trusting natural health secrets. Fuel your body and your mind. We will see you next time with more breakthrough natural remedies.